Kajela Megalaya Yakabashisi and Lajutip, Lanega Balapau, Hakalian Kapule Kaputi, Hakatan Jatela Mingi Barokaway, Minda Kalapoi Shatraidu Jonkalis, Katkum Kaipot Balapalite, the Katanat Puliputi, Jonkasor Karkme Dangshen. Habaikran Maginong Hokubor, Umentri Katanat Puliputi, Jokasor Kajala, Balak Mendrimboy, Ulong Bahakini Kilais Nambaladep, Kajala, Kalakamki, Hakalian Kapule Kaputi, but Nangni Shakamat Kanyale Karbala, but Kampen Bahashushu.
If we see the fact of the matter is that it is not that it is that Meghalaya has improved every year. In 2017-18, the score is 584. And 2018-19, the score is increased to 610. And this year, this last report, 2019-20, the score is 649. So in these last 3 years, there is the improvement, and we will improve more.
Ubarumboy ulong baka sarkar menta kan phai khamat nane kan shimkhia haki babon kiliang kum ga jingkan tiu yeki yeng school ban pinbet pinbyang yeki ban buo ikino hikai ki bala pentebet yalade bar kum juru ban pinbyang ki jingnan kambaro haki school ki badan haka jala brok away.
And we know the deficiency. That's why since 2018-19, I have already spoken about 3 things which need to be done. Number 1 is infrastructure. Number 2 is that the trained teacher. And number 3 is that the how to improve the facility of the schools.
Ulai khuble ruyo menteri rangba ka sarkar jala ubala phai khamat ningkong e shakapule kaputhi bar ubala mang shispa klor tingka na kabenta kani katanan.
I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister that he understands the need to improve the infrastructure, and it is the first time that from the state fund that 100 crore will be pumped only into these primary and secondary schools.
Laban kedo hangni basantali ki jilla jangkari India ki bakintu be Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam bar Arunachal Pradesh ki dena pereng ki jilla ki bakhlamla ban kot bha hakaliang ka pule ka puthi karkum ka performance grading index. Ubarumboy ulaban ru baka jingtre stom jaka sarkar jilla kan sapau onda sakawe ka kaipot kan wan la shamsnam bar ka jilla kan sapoy hakakadan ka bakham shujrong.
This what are the initiatives which we are doing last year, because this is a report of 1920. What we are doing last year and this year, it will reflect in the next report of the Government of India.